Hello guys, here we have a Samsung washing machine 80T504DAEA, and today I will tell you a few actions what you should do if you see the troubleshoot code check water supply. So that means its water is not supplied, and the first thing is make sure the water taps are open. Make sure the water hoses are not clogged. Make sure the water taps are not frozen. Make sure the washing machine is running with sufficient water pressure. Make sure that the cold water tap and the hot water tap are properly connected. Clean the mesh filter as it may be clogged. All button will be disabled for 3 minutes after the information code appears. When the check water supply message appears, the machine drains water for 3 minutes. In the meantime, the power button will be disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.